Two men were walking along one summer day. Soon it became too hot to go any further, and seeing a large plane tree nearby, they threw themselves on the ground to rest in its shade. Gazing up into the branches, one man said to the other, "What a useless tree this is! It does not have fruits or nuts that we can eat, and we cannot even use its wood for anything." "Don't be so ungrateful," rustled the tree in reply. "I am being extremely useful to you at this very moment, shielding you from the hot sun, and you call me a good for nothing." Moral: all of God's creations have a good purpose. We should never belittle God's blessings.